Hello, Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you? I am Zishan Ali Khan, and you are watching Digital Marketing Software Pakistan. Well, uh, this software is very most advanced feature software. It has lots of marketing related options and user scrapping options. I will put the different features links, video links in the description. Better you go and watch all the functions and features of of this software. And today I am here to show you how you can scrap the followers of any page, your targeted or competitor page, to scrap the users followers of that page and send a bulk message from this option. Okay, so although the Facebook has a limited in its scrapping the user followers, so the software has ability to scrap unlimited scrap followers and users as per available in the Facebook, as per limited in the Facebook actually. So uh, maximum you can scrap uh, 360 and 300 400 followers of any page, because after that Facebook self itself stopped scrolling, stopped the page followers list. I will show you at the end. Okay, so let's start. Maybe I will fast speed up the video while scrapping the followers, because it takes time scrapping the followers. Okay, you better watch and understand what is happening in this video. Okay, well, I'm just putting the page ID that I want to scrap the followers of the page. For example, this is the page. I just copy this, the Facebook page name. Actually, don't copy the full URL, just copy the page name after the slash. Okay, you will come to the software and paste here, and you will click on followers. It will redirect you on the page followers list, and it will automatically scrap. You can see automatically scrapping and scrolling. Okay, and I will show you the logo. 56 member IDs collected. I mean 56 followers of this page collected from this page. Now increasing the 88 members. Okay, so I'm just speeding up this video to getting the followers, because it takes some time getting the followers users. It has a limit also. I'm again telling you, it has a limit actually. Cannot scrap thousands or 2000 or 10,000s, because Facebook itself has some limitations. Here, uh, you can see it automatically close the browser, that were external browser from this software, and it automatically close because Facebook has its own limitations that cannot go beyond uh, unlimited scrapping, because Facebook it has a limit. Okay, so let's see how many follower uh, has been scrapped, extracted from this software. Let export all. So we will count all this. I will save this on the desktop. Okay, now minimize this. Use copy, select all, copy, and open Excel file. Paste to Excel. Let's see how many flowers have been selected. 192 flowers from this page. Okay, and that's not only uh, 192. I tried with other pages also, from some other pages. Uh, this one, I show you the connected Pakistan page name. I tried the scrapping the followers, and this was 352. Okay, from some page it can scrap uh, more than 192, like till 352, 360, and 400. From some page it can scrap maybe more, or so it cannot say that it can scrap specific thousands or 2000 followers. So it has some limit. Actually, the Facebook follower scrapping has some limit, because if you do yourself, you just click on followers and you will scroll down as much you can, but at the end it will stop on some numbers, like after 350, after 400. This will not show you more than that. Okay, because it has some limits. Facebook has set it some limits to show the few followers, not thousands of followers. Okay, because these are the visible. Actually, it can scrap only visible data. Okay, so by this you can just uh, with 350 or 192 or 200 or 400 followers, you can still work on this. You can still send bulk message to them with your multiple accounts, and target them your um, for your product and marketing. Okay, and for other features, comments, group posting, the videos are available on my YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description also. And if you find this video is very helpful, and you understand all the things, so just like and comment below if you have any question, and contact me if you want to know more anything. So subscribe my channel also, and I will come to next video, and with some more new features like scrap. Like scrap mean any post, like for trending post, it has a lots of audience uh, liking that post, so you can scrap that also. Okay, so subscribe my channel for upcoming new videos. Thank you very much.